Okay, let's now relate the treble clef and the bass clef to the keyboard. Now you'll see here I have a keyboard with 88 keys, okay? And if I was to take a look at where middle C is, well, C, okay, but first you'll notice it's always 2, then 3, then 2, then 3, then 2, then 3 black keys. Okay, all the way up, all the way down. So if I was to go here 3 or 2, 3, 2, this, if the keyboard continued, it would be a set of 3. Okay, but it ends up stopping. Below the 2 black keys, this way of the 2 black keys, to the left, is what we call C. So the keyboard here starts on A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 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 and so on. Okay, so we always have a C in the same spot below the 2 black keys. Okay, now if I go from here, that's C1, C2, C3, and then C4, C5, C6, etc. Now, C4 is what we call middle C, because it's kind of like in the middle of the piano, right? We call that middle C. So now, if I take a look at the treble clef, remember the treble clef went from E above middle C, 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 D, E, and it covers all these notes up to that F. E, G, B, D, F, or F, A, C, E. That's where those lines and spaces are, right? There's the lines, there's the spaces that are represented on our staff. In the bass clef, there's middle C again, or C4. Then we have B, A, that's the top line of the bass clef, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G. That's the lowest line of the bass clef. So G, B, D, F, A, those are the 5 lines of the bass clef. And then the 4 spaces, A, C, E, G, all cows eat grass. So we see now that that graph that we see in the staff paper is representing these notes. So we're going, in the grand staff, we go all the way from this F down to this G. Okay? We can go lower with ledger lines, but if it goes too low, what we do is we put a bracket that says 8VA or 8VB. If we want it lower, 8VB means octave below. 8VA we would use mostly in the treble clef, and it would be octave above. So if I had the F at the top of the treble clef and I said 8VA, it would be this, right? If I wrote 8VA, okay, etc. And so that's a little bit of an explanation about that.